We are here today in Isla Saona, in Saona Island, and I would love to show you what this island has to offer. It's so beautiful. It's a national park here in the country, and it's a place where if you have never been here before, you need to come, and if you've been here, you need to come back. So I am so excited to be here today on the Saona Premium Tours with Punta Cana Family Tours and Excursions here today. And we are on our way to the island of Saona. And what I love about this tour is that I get to be here early enough that I don't have to be here with a ton of people. And so I get to spend enough time here and to enjoy time in the sun, in the sand. And then from here, I get to go on a boat, private boat, to an island, and then to relax there for about 2 hours, to get food, to enjoy music, and all of the things that come with being on this beautiful, beautiful island. Okay, so now it is lunchtime here on the island of Saona. So let's see what's for lunch. We got some moro here. We got some pollo guisado, which is Dominican stewed chicken. We have some fried fish, which is my favorite. Then we have Dominican spaghettis. And we have some papas, or some potatoes, and ensalada, which is salad, and ¿qué está aquí? Fruta and fruit.